welcome back to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic that could change the way you think about cybersecurity: honeypots and HoneyNets. Did you know that, according to cybersecurity experts, about 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses? What if I told you that there are clever ways to trick hackers and protect your network? Let's unveil the secrets of these deceptive tools that turn the tables on cyber criminals. What are honeypots? So, what exactly is a honeypot? Think of it as a decoy system within your network. It is designed to lure attackers away from your real systems while simultaneously analyzing their malicious activities. Basically, it is like setting a trap for hackers. Here are a few key attributes of honeypots. Sensitive information. Honeypots are made to look like they hold valuable data. We intentionally leave some vulnerabilities exposed to attract hackers. Appearing secure. They are designed to look like legitimate servers to gain the hackers' trust. Monitoring tools. Honeypots come equipped with software that tracks the hackers' every move, allowing us to understand their methods. It's a trap. While hackers think they are stealing sensitive data, we are actually monitoring them and gathering valuable information. Types of honeypots. Now, let's break down the three main types of honeypots. Pure honeypots. These are complete production systems set up only to monitor attacks. Low interaction honeypots. They imitate services that typically attract attacks. These are great for collecting data from automated attacks like botnets and malware. High interaction honeypots. These provide the most extensive insights into cyber criminal behavior but require more maintenance and expertise. They often use virtual machines to ensure the real systems remain safe. Risks of honeypots. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks associated with honeypots and HoneyNets. If a honeypot is too similar to your real server, hackers might accidentally or intentionally breach the actual system. So, it's crucial to design them carefully to prevent any unwanted exposure. In summary, honeypots and HoneyNets serve as vital tools in our cybersecurity arsenal, helping to divert and monitor attacks. By using these clever traps, we can gain valuable insight into how cyber criminals operate and better protect our networks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. For more tech-related content and tips, check out our links in the description. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.